In previous class we have discussed y equal to cos x and cos 2x cos 3x by using logarithm. Now without log we can solve this. dy by dx equal to d by dx of cos x cos 2x cos 3x. Let this consider as u, this is considered as v. Product uv whole dash equal to uv dash plus vu dash. Okay. Now u, tell me u is cos x into v, d by dx of v, this is v, cos 2x into cos 3x. That is your wish. You can consider these two as a u, this is v. Whatever these two I consider as v, this is u. Or these two you can consider as u, this is v. Answer let's see. You try like that also. Okay? Plus u v dash plus v, this is v cos 2x into cos 3x. U dash d by dx of cos x. D by dx of cos x. Understood? Now cos x. Cos 2. Again which form it can be? uv. Are you following? uv. U cos 2x into this derivative d by dx of cos 3x plus cos 3x into d by dx of cos 2x plus cos 2x into cos 3x into cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Right? Cos x into cos 2x bracket here cos 2x cos 3x differentiation is minus sin 3x into 3x differentiation is 3 plus cos 3x into cos 2x differentiation is minus sin 2x into 2 plus and minus sin x cos 2x cos 3x. Multiply this into this, we'll get minus cos x cos 2x sin 3 sin 3x minus plus and minus 2 cos x into cos 3x into sin 2x minus sin x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Yes, that we made it in the form of tan, so that we can also make it in the form of tan. How we can make it? Here cos x cos 2x cos 3x, you should take common. Are you following? What should take common? dy by dx equal to cos x cos 2x cos 3x, take common. If you take common here, this is gone, so cos 3x not there, then divide by cos 3x minus 3 into sin 3x by cos 3x. Check it once again. Multiply this into this, should get this. When you multiply this get cancelled, minus 3 cos x cos 2x sin 3x. Understood? Next minus cos x already taken common, cos 3x common, remaining cos 2x, that is not there here, divided by 2 sin 2x by cos 2x. Same, cos 2x over cos 3x over cos x not there, minus sin x by cos x. Finish. Cos x cos 2x cos 3x into minus here tan x first order minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 2x. Check it. Yesterday we have done Previous class we have done by using logarithm. So that answer, this is without log. That answer, this answer same or not? Same. Okay. See, you can observe by using logarithm easy or this is easy. By using logarithm very easy. Okay. So that is the use of the logarithm differentiation. X minus 1, x minus. The second question, this is exercise 5.4. Okay, we have to find differentiation. See, while finding differentiation here, what they will do, see, first it look like root x. Root x. Then they will get 1 by 2 root of this. X minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 into d by dx of this, because we have considered as x this is. Tell me here, x minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. While finding this differentiation u by v, this again v square, again v dash. Taking v dash means 3 product here, u v w whole dash. Okay, it's take time. So it's complicated. So when it's take time, avoid this method. Apply log. In this case, the log, when you apply log, the problem will make it easy. So now let's apply log on both sides. So this is the use of the logarithm. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Log y equal to log of x minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 whole raised to 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. Log y equal to log of a raised to m into log. So 1 by 2 comes log of x minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. This is the form of log m by n. Log of m by n formula. Log of m by n formula. Log of m by n equal to log m minus log n. So 1 log y equal to 1 by 2 log of m x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus log of n, this is n, log of x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Again, which is the form of log of m into n. Log of m into n equal to log of m into n into p equal to log m plus log n plus log p. Now 1 by log y equal to 1 by 2 log of m into n log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2. See, we can find easily differentiation. Plus is there. We can apply differentiation easily. Next, minus of this log m and p equal to m plus n plus p. Now tell me log of x minus 3 plus log of x minus 4 plus log of x minus 5. Here bracket rules. When you open the bracket, multiply by minus. Now log y equal to 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3 minus log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. Now simplify over. Now we can apply differentiate very easy. Apply differentiation with respect of x on both sides. Right? Log by differentiation 1 by y dy by dx. equal to 1 by 2. Tell me log x minus 1 differentiation. 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 1 derivative is 1. X derivative is 1, 1 derivative is 0. Understood? X minus 1 derivative is x derivative is 1 minus 1 derivative is g. 1 minus 0 is 1. Plus log of x minus 2 differentiation 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 2 differentiation 1 d by dx of x minus d by dx of 2. d by dx of x is 1, 2 derivative is 0. I have written direct here instead of writing d by dx. This is enough. Plus minus 1 log of x minus 3 differentiation 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 3 differentiation 1 minus 1 by x minus 4. This differentiation is 1. 1 by x minus 5. Finish. So then dy by dx equal to y by 2 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2, 1 by x minus 3, 1 by x minus 4, x minus 5. Where y is equal to this, that you can apply. If it is easy, you can write it. It is a very big function, no need to write. That is your wish. Y is nothing but this. Whether you write or not, it's not a problem. Y meaning is this. So that one is short form. If you know, you can write it. Very big means you can write also. Root of, that is your wish. Root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2, 1 by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. This is here. Y is if it is very short form, you can write it. Y if it is big, no need to write. It's like this much, not up to this if you write, up to this if you write. You won't lose the marks, you get in marks. Big function, not necessary to write it. Small function, y means. Exercise 5.5. Log x whole power cos x. Y is equal to log x whole power cos x. Log x whole power cos x. Base and power both are variable. Then we apply log on both sides. So apply log on both sides. Log y equal to log of log x whole power cos x. Log y equal to log of a raised to m. A raised to m comes in log cos x here. Cos x into log of log x. Yes. Now apply differentiation. Apply differentiation with respect of x on both sides. d by dx of log 1 equal to d by dx of cos x into log of log x. Log by differentiation 1 by y into dy by dx. U into v, this is uv whole dash, uv whole dash formula, uv dash plus vu dash. U tell me cos x into v d by dx of log log x plus v log of log x into d by dx of cos x. 1 by y dy by dx equal to cos x. Tell me this. How can you find this differentiation? This is considered as x. Log x. Log x differentiation 1 by x. 1 by x means log x. This is I am considering as x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. What I have considered as x, no, that one again apply differentiate. D by dx of log x. Plus log of log x Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x. Now dy by dx equal to y into cos x by log x into log x derivative is 1 by x. Yes, plus log x into derivative of already over derivative minus sin x. So dy by dx equal to y. Y is a small function, substitute here. Log x whole power cos x into cos x by x log x minus log x into sin x. Differentiate x power x minus 2 power sin x with respect of x. Differentiate x power x minus 2 power sin x. Yes, this function considered as y. Let y is equal to x power x minus 2 power sin x. Here base and power variable. In this case, we should apply log. Okay. If you apply log on both sides, log y equal to log of x power x minus 2 power sin x. Tell me how we can simplify this. Log of m minus n formula. Log of m minus n. Is it log m minus log n? No. Log m by n. Log of m by n formula, that is different. Log m minus log m. Log of m by n equals. So there is no formula for this. Log of m minus n, we can't write log m minus log n. This is the wrong way. The wrong way. So we can't expand this. So stuck up here. Next what step we don't know, because there is no formula logarithm of m minus n. That's why at the initial stage, in this case, if it is plus or minus is there are two functions, sum of two functions, difference of two functions is there. Don't apply log at first stage. First step. Then how can find separate? We should apply this. Separate. If it is like this, we can apply log. Only 2 power sin x is there, we can apply log. Only 2 power sin x. Okay? But difference of two functions if there no, in such case, don't apply direct log on both sides. If you apply log on both sides, what happens? Log of m minus n. Log of m minus n, there is no formula. It's not possible. Okay? So in this case, how the way of finding is, let this function consider as another function. Let u equal to x power x. U equal to x power x. Next, v equal to 2 power sin x. Let u equal to x power x. V is equal to 2 power sin x. Y equal to, this is equal to u. We have assumed as u. Minus, this is equal to v. So y is equal to u minus v. Then dy by dx equal to d by dx of u minus v. Then dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. This is equation 1. Yes. After this, separate we should find du by dx and dv by dx. That substitute here we get the du by dx. Tell me u, separate we should find u by x power x. X power x. Now can I apply log on both sides? Can I apply log on both sides here? Yes. Why? Because here we can't apply direct log on both sides. Why? Because difference of two functions is there. But here only single function, so we can apply log. So apply log on both sides. right? So log u equal to log of x power x. Next, log of u equal to x into log x. Now apply differentiation. Apply differentiation with respect of x on both sides. Log u differentiation 1 by u. U differentiation with respect of x is du by dx. X v u v dash x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x. Du by dx equal to u into x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x plus log x. Differentiation of x is 1. Get cancelled. So d by dx of du by dx equal to u. Tell me u. X power x. X power x into 1 plus log x. So this we got it. This answer you are substituting. Next we need one more. dv by dx. So dv by dx how can you find? Consider dv by dx. V equal to 2 power sin x. Then dv by dx equal to d by dx of 2 power sin x, which is in the form of d by dx of a raised to x. A is constant, power is variable. This is same content, same formula. Its content is formula. Yes, a raised to x is what is a raised to x into log a base e. Now apply this formula. This is considered as x. 2 raised to x differentiation 2 power x sin x into log of a base e. What we have considered as x, that one again apply differentiate. D by dx of what you have considered as x, sin x. D by dx of sin x. Okay. Now 2 power sin x into log a base e into sin x differentiation is cos x. This is dv by dx. This we can find by using log also, but we know already formula a raised to x differentiation. That's why I use this formula. By applying log also we get it. A raised to x differentiation is a raised to x into log a base e. 2 power x means sin x. 2 power sin x into log a base e. So what we have considered as x, that one again apply differentiate. Sin x differentiation is cos x. So these two, but we need not du by dx, not dv by dx. We want dy by dx. From one dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Okay, du by dx. What is the du by dx is? X power x into 1 plus log x minus dv by dx is 2 power sin x into log a base e into cos x. This is the answer. X plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole power 4 with respect of x on both sides. Now let y equal to x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole power 4. Tell me in this case what to do? You should apply log on both sides. Why? Because what product comes up. Instead of applying UVW, okay, direct apply log is very easy. So apply log on both sides. Log y equal to log of x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole power 4. Log y equal to log of m and p. equal log of m plus n plus 3 log of x plus 3 whole square plus log of x plus 4 whole cube plus log of x plus 5 whole power 4. Log y equal to, by using logarithm properties, 2 log of x plus 3. Next, 3 log of x plus 4 plus 4 into log of x plus 5. Now apply differentiation with respect of x on both sides. Okay, d by dx of log y equal to 2 constant d by dx of log of x plus 3 plus 3 constant d by dx of log of x plus 4, 4 constant d by dx of log of x plus 5. Right? Log by differentiation, 1 by y differentiation with respect of x is dy by dx. 2 into log of x plus 3 differentiation, x plus 3 considered as x, log x differentiation is 1 by x plus 3 into x plus 3 differentiation is 1, x differentiation 1, 3 derivative is 1 plus 0 is plus 3 into log of x plus 4 differentiation 1 by x plus 4 into x plus 4 differentiation is 1 plus 4 into this is 1 by x plus 5. So dy by dx equal to y into 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by